different themes, astronomy, down to chemicals, down to physics, down to environmental studies with the electric storm. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so the board game's name is Science Trivia, and this specific one is designed for grade 6 learners. With the idea, the cards specifically have the grade 6 content in it, but later on you can make grade 5 and grade 4 cards and you can still use the same board as well, and it will still work. So how it works is learners are divided into 4 teams that work together, and they use a dice to move around the board, and they start here by start, of course. So each block has a different action that they have to do. So for example, if they landed on 5, okay, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it says draw a card from Life and Living Things. So what will happen now is a member of a different team is going to draw the card and is going to ask the question, why is oxygen important? And the other player will have to, of course, answer the question. And if you look at the bottom, the answer is here. It says most living things need oxygen to breathe. So on all the cards here at the bottom, it's very small, I know, but it's done so with purpose. The answer is at the bottom. And then I've got, for example, this one will take them to matter and materials. This one will take them to energy and change, and then this one will take them to planet Earth and beyond. And then you've got other areas, for example, electric storm, where you can draw any card which you want to, but you only have 10 seconds to answer the question, which makes it go quite a fast pace. You've got Wheel of Chance, where you can just draw any card. You've got You're a Genius, which automatically gives you a point. Okay, so how the points work, the entire goal of the game is to get 30 points. You get 30 points, you win. And on every card at the top, it says 1 point or 2 points or 3 points. There's a maximum of 4 points that you can get. And then, so You're a Genius, automatically you add a point. So you don't have to answer a question to get a point. Low energy means that you have to skip a turn. Then you've got Forgot the Lab Rules, which means you have to move back 2 paces. We also have Caught Polluting, which means you skip 3 turns. Then you've got Hop on a Rocket, which means you can take another turn, which means you roll the dice again. And then you've got Oops, It Started a Fire, which means you automatically lose 2 points. So you take 2 points off for yourself. Panda Likes You, which means you move forward 2 points. And then Low Energy means you skip a turn again. And then you continue going around and around until the first team has 30 points. And the other thing is there are different types of questions as well. For example, this one you have to complete the sentence, fill in the missing word. This one says you have to name 3 types of fossil fuels. And then we've also got a question that just says what person works with electricity. And then just quickly find. Then you get these types of questions where you've got a picture where you have to tell them what is shown in the diagram. And there are a few other images as well where you have to also identify the process that is shown in the image as well. And then I've also got this little pamphlet thing that's got all the rules and the game set up for if the kids want to play this and I'm not in the class to explain.